Kinong kitkam bat kirkhot jong ka youth congress ki bana ka ri khasi jaintia ki bakanthop nadu ki block level bat ki primary level ki badan kumba south pa ngud menta ka sngi ka lai tarik no pra ki lalej bantur sha ka congress bhawan naga banta ban wengno ilade lane resign no naga seng congress kum ki nongyalam bat kum ki khot jong ka seng ya ka te lalam khmat do ba Fernandes Dekhar ubadeu general secretary jong ka Meghalaya youth congress committee
Isni tat adu bangan dari resign. Oh, daka mensim kabapang kabat kabat siosi ni hapan sim ya kana sinja namar ba ki leadership jongi kilafe hakapan tung ya presiden iklam konsol hadin kataru ngala hadin bala tung ya presiden ngala ya kendo ya hadin lais ni ngangong ma penbaik ya kini kundrum kendram jong ke parti dong ini trilang namar ba haka argulai ladangi don jadi trilang ni inpoi syakatong Henry Selsi kipor kilaya kiya kilaya Henry nakaliang jong presiden uklam simla kop lawe ya di frontal wings baro Selsi banyu iya kini kistet kiyut kibala trei laslam haka youth congress ngalali itu menen nandu arjal san kum kena pule ngala don haka youth congress haka jinsya ngala join chua haka party congress ban haka youth congress dan hadin arjar kadwei kada mila sedang gajing yai nanti jonga haka youth congress badha usnam arjar kada bangi yele ka election jong ke youth congress ka banengkong hari India barok kawe badha haka state jongi ngala yok ban simenta haka ta por ngadang dei primary member jong ka boot level jong ka motion road constituency ya ki kiwi pat in sakran subit sha ka press club lada ka bat lada umdei ka press club in pentip yepi bahaya ingin ai press. You see, first thing, we have been in the youth congress for so long. Actually, I came from the background of my family is a congress background family. Since my childhood, we work for the Congress party. I started to be active in youth congress and in the party since 2005. Then in 2012, we did a mass enrollment of youth congress. The first election with the leadership of Rajiv Satabji, the late Rajiv Satabji. It is very it's a very sad affair of state for the youth congress because recently when there is a chain of leadership in our state, there is no consultation to the youth for the membership drive. That happened on the 20th. I was there in the press conference just because I was thinking that hope my leader, my party leadership, they will work and bring together especially from the side of president, the new nominated president. But they did not consult us. AICC did not, IYC did not consult us. And what is sad is that on that day itself when they announced the membership, they dissolved the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. There, I would like to put a question. Is there any organization, when they announced the election, they dissolved the existing body? Actually, in a system, we used to have that, okay, there should be a smooth transition of power until and unless a new president is elected, a new executive body is elected. The existing body should be there. The old body should remain, should run the party affairs. But here, it is very sad for the youth congress.